In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make B4 paper size in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing an important document or designing a custom project, adjusting the paper size to fit your needs in Google Docs is both simple and effective. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to convert your document to B4 size effortlessly. Let's start by opening your preferred internet browser. If Google isn't already set as your default homepage, type Google Docs into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll see the Google Docs link at or near the top of your search results list. Click on it, which will guide you to the Google Docs homepage. Once the page loads, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not signed in already, enter your email address and password. After successfully logging in, you should now see the Google Docs dashboard with options such as starting a new document or opening an existing one. Now, choose the Google Doc you'd like to edit by clicking its title from the list, or start a new document if this is for a fresh project. With the document open on your screen, direct your attention to the uppermost menu bar. There you'll find the File option. It's located in the top left corner. Click on File, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here we want to navigate down to the Page Setup option. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will pop up, titled Page Setup. This is your control center for setting parameters like margins, orientation, and crucially for us, paper size. Look for the Paper Size drop-down menu within this window. By default, this might be set to Letter, A4, or whatever your last used setting was. Clicking on the Paper Size drop-down menu will present you with a list of available formats. Scroll down the list until you spot B4. It's often toward the bottom of the list, nestled between other sizes. Select B4 by clicking on it. Now that you've chosen B4, finalize the switch by clicking the OK button at the bottom right of the Page Setup window. This action will apply your selection of the B4 paper size to your document. And there you have it. Your document is now set to B4 size. This method is particularly useful for specific printing needs or creating designs that demand the distinct dimensions of B4 paper. Remember, you can always follow these steps again to change the paper size back or to explore other sizes that Google Docs offers. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides like this one. Happy documenting!